correct way to observe fasting during Ramadan is to adopt all the principles according to Sharia and perform this worship in the best possible manner, both spiritually and physically. Suhoor, pre-dawn meal, is a sunnah and is blessed. Eat light yet energizing foods such as porridge, milk, dates, bread, eggs, yogurt, etc. Drink plenty of water to avoid thirst throughout the day. Limit tea and caffeinated drinks as they can lead to dehydration. Intention is essential for fasting. Either resolve in your heart or say with your tongue. Translation: I intend to fast tomorrow in the month of Ramadan. During fasting, observe prayers and recite the Holy Quran. Avoid sinful actions such as lying, getting angry, gossiping, and engaging in idle talk. Pray as much as possible, for the supplication of a fasting person is accepted. Maintain a balance between work and worship to preserve physical and spiritual strength. If you feel fatigued while fasting, rest, but do not be lazy. Iftar, breaking the fast, is sunnah to break the fast with dates and water. Recite the prescribed supplication.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. Translation: O Allah, I have fasted for you. I believe in you. I rely upon you, and I break my fast with the sustenance you have provided. Eat light and healthy meals, avoiding overly spicy or fried foods. After iftar, perform the Maghrib prayer and then have a suitable amount of food. During the nights of Ramadan, the prayer of Tarawih is highly recommended.